Imagine you're cooking dinner and you have to attend to a phone call. How you wish you could get someone to watch what's cooking and let you take the call peacefully. Or imagine you're cooking a meal and you need to call a friend for the recipe. How you wish you could do both, your hands free to take care of the cooking and yet follow the recipe. And imagine this, with messy hands and busy eyes, it's not very easy to follow a recipe or even do multiple things around the kitchen, right? Make your life easy in the kitchen. Make it smart with Klove. Introducing Klove Knob, the smart stove knob that you can talk to and that can help you in the kitchen. Now, start talking and let Klove do the cooking. Follow your recipes step by step with Klove's voice assistant and enjoy effortless cooking with Klove. Klove keeps time, learns your cooking style and remembers your favorite recipe.
Just turn on your stove to start cooking with Klove and talk to Klove through Amazon Alexa, Google Home or your Klove app. Klove will ask you for a few details to get the best results. Klove uses artificial intelligence to set the perfect time automatically based on your inputs. And that's it. Klove will now track your cooking and will give you timely alerts, so you can spend some quality time or get more done. Klove can also remind you if you forget to turn off your stove. Klove uses artificial intelligence to learn your habits and tastes, so it only gets better every time you cook with Klove, so you can cook effortlessly and enjoy your cooking. Klove will let you know when your food is ready. Just turn off your knob and enjoy your meal.
Hey Kickstarters, please share this with your friends and families and make Klove Knob a reality. Thank you.